Omo, yesterday the report dey reach my desk say Madrid and Mbappe Alonso dey don part ways. As everybody dey say Madrid Saka, Madrid not Saka. Disrespect too much for that Madrid team between Mbappe Alonso. Whether they dey feel say na young guy na him dey cause that disrespect, I don't know. Or whether they get one or two issue may dey happen for inside that club, may the club and the coach with the players no gree talk come outside. Because na Mbappe Alonso choose to part ways with the club. Madrid not Saka. Madrid even say they go back and up to play anything till he fit settle down for the club. But the guy say he no want again. He want try another new journey of life. That one na life for you. Best to tell you try new journey. And wetin pain me pass be say he never even comot for Spain wey Madrid don replace am. That one na one kind big disrespect. At least they for still give am at least 24 hours before they dey announce the replacement. He never even comot for Spain. Madrid don replace am with their former right back Arbeloa. Na him come be Madrid new head coach. That one na big disrespect. And Mbappe join wetin make that guy comot. Yes. After their final for Super Cup, that their Clasico final Super Cup, normal, you as a coach, you tell your players say make they come give the opponent guard of honor. Mbappe signal the players make they come make they not go. The player respect Mbappe. Come on, they not go. They not respect coach. That one a big disrespect now. And no matter how you feel say you be for that club, as far as now your coach, you not supposed to dey disrespect am, you supposed to dey respect am because now your head coach. Now Alonso I dey blame, not Mbappe. If na Mourinho time, Mourinho go stay. Try this season, Mbappe no play match. Yes. Even say Madrid dey lose, he not care. Oh. For January, he go buy one attacker or two. He go stay the club. Try this season if na Mourinho, Mbappe no see match play again. He go chop bench, 2 minutes to go dey put am. 1 minute to go dey put am. He go chop bench. He go learn lesson. I'm me as a coach, for example, me as a coach now. I'll tell my player what to do. You as a player go tell them, they not do, make they do another thing. Then the players go follow you. That means they not really respect the coach now. That one a big disrespect for public. And you know, so that thing, I will see camera for everywhere they carry. Now big disrespect. Mbappe Alonso say in part ways because the club not feel adapt to his style of play. They not agree adapt to his style of play. And they not agree give am wetin the support me dey fair. The players not agree give am. So he not fit come dey club wey